why do we need trading rules?
Well, the reason is because we want to know when the trade opportunity comes knocking at our door so that we can act on it. Similarly, we also want to know when is the time to get off when things are looking a little bit risky.
Oh no!
So once we've studied, refined your trading rules, then the psychology aspect of trading becomes a little bit easier. Now, what do I mean by that? For instance, you don't have to sweat about whether you want to keep the trade or get rid of it, because you'll know what conditions you keep the trade and what conditions you don't. After that, you simply follow your rules and forget about what the trade is going to look like. So let me ask you, so far what have you learned? For most people, you've been told that you need a trading plan, and you've been told that you need a set of trading rules. Also, you've probably been told you need to have a money management system. You've been shown that you need to have known exits before you enter a trade, and you know that you need to find one system and stick to it till you prove it out, or prove that it does not work when you follow the rules. Instead, you place trades when you think you see an opportunity. You don't have a trading plan. You have a mental idea what your trading rules are, but you don't write them down. Or if you did, you don't actually trade by those rules. They just sit there on a sheet of paper and collecting dust. You trade with whatever position size seems right at the time. You're testing multiple systems, but you don't really abide exactly by any of them. You enter trades and then work on the exits after entering the trade. Now, of course, you may not be guilty of all those things, but there is a pretty good chance that the majority of people here can see themselves in this list of stuff. So, what are you going to do to fix whatever items you don't have in place? Do you think you are so much better than the traders who do these things that you can compete against them without doing them? If so, you have an amazing opinion of yourself. Probably a little too high of an opinion. Now, either that or you have such a low opinion of yourself that you won't do these things because you are just hoping that you'll be lucky enough to stumble upon how to get rich trading while doing it all wrong. Whatever your deal is, you may want to consider this. Anything worth doing is worth doing badly at first. Don't worry about whether you do it badly. Just put a plan in place to do these things one at a time. Don't let greed and the laziness it breeds fool you into wasting your time thinking you can be successful without learning to do these things.